A look at the Defrost hack, one of the most confusing exploits of 2022. The DeFi platform has announced that they will be converting the returned funds into stablecoins, which will be transferred from Ethereum to Avalanche before returning them to their rightful owners. This comes after a string of crypto hacks and attacks over the last 30 days, with the most recent being a hack on Defrost, a decentralized finance protocol, on Christmas Eve. The attacker was able to manipulate prices on the platform, making away with $173,000 in the process. However, the platform reassured users that the hack was limited to its V2 product, with V1 remaining out of harm. But just when users thought the worst was behind them, Defrost announced that its V1 product was also compromised, leading to a much larger attack. The attacker used an owner key to exploit Defrost's V1 product, minting 100 million H20 tokens, a stablecoin native to the Avalanche protocol. The hacker then added a malicious price oracle to liquidate his H20 and drain the V1 pool of its USDT. All said and done, the hacker was able to get away with $12 million worth of tokens. Amid the allegations of an exit scam, Defrost posted a wallet address on its Twitter page, asking the attacker to return the ill-gotten crypto. They even offered 20% of the stolen funds as a reward. These steps seem to have paid dividends, as the attacker returned all the stolen funds on 26 December, which included $9.90.